This will be part one of two of all the new functions I put in XCOM and XTOC this week. Welcome back, guys. This is a continuation of all the new functionality that I've placed into my field control software for both portable and technical operations center. So this is XTOC. This is what you'd use in a search and rescue or a disaster situation or whatever to transfer all the data you could ever want to transfer in that kind of a situation, whether you want to encrypt it or not. So this is the new functions this week. This is part one because there's too many. So down here in the corner, I added a draw function. So you can, when you're working in the talk, you can show people things and draw lines and do arrows and whatever you need to do to kind of get your point across in the talk. And it's just that simple. It's just a nice, simple way of uh, walking through things when you're presenting to people. And speaking of presenting, I will jump right to that. So this is a kind of a big one. So under Manet, I don't know why people call it Manet. It's not French. It's a mobile ad hoc network. Anyway, under here, land mirror. This allows you to share your talk across your network. So across, I put it under Manet because it makes sense to have it under the network, but this can go across any LAN. This will present your entire talk as read-only across the network. So once you spin up and do the connections, you can have basically a mission control. Like picture all those screens in NASA mission control where you're all working off the same data sets, but you can work with the data differently. Well, that's what you'll get. So pretty big deal. It works pretty good. So allows you to share your talk across, like if you have 10 people in your talk, well, you can all be working from the same data set. Pretty cool. ATAC. I added its own area here. So we have full ATAC integration now. So cursor on target will just come through, just connect, run the bridge. It's in the helper instructions, and the helper will run at this location at 8088, and it'll just pull in everything off the network. So yeah, pretty simple. You can just run ATAC as you normally would. Radio is another one I added. This allows you to interface directly to radios. So if you have one of those, the BTEC radios with the APRS IS, or you have a Bluetooth radio with TNC of any form, this will connect to it. This allows you to pull in APRS packets directly into XTOC, and they will auto import. So anything that comes across in an XTOC formatted packet will just come in. And if you want to send something over your APRS, you don't have to do anything special. Under COM, let's say you're doing a sit rep, you just make your sit rep as usual, but you just choose APRS, and that's it. You just hit connect and send, and it'll send over your radio. Easy. Basically the same as what we have for Bluetooth. What we have for Meshtastic now works on amateur radio. So hopefully that's pretty handy. And that is about it for this one, because these are going to be way too long of videos. So I'm breaking this one in half. Next video, I'll go over the other functionality I added. It's just too much for one. Hope you guys are enjoying. It's a pretty crazy program now.